Welcome to Roshan Academy. Today I am going to explain the ninth lesson, Navamaha Pathaha, Suptayaha. These slokas are taken from the Tirukural, the Tamil language text written by Tiruvalluvar, the Tamil poet and philosopher. He is best known as the author of Tirukural, a collection of couplets on ethics, political and economical matters, and love. And the text is considered an exceptional and widely cherished work of the Tamil literature. Tirukural means Shriya Yuktavani. Shriya Yuktavani, and is divided into three parts, Dharma, Artha, Kama, and is very inspirable. Tirukural तमिळ् भाषायां रचिता तमिळ् साहित्यस्य उत्कृष्टा कृतिः अस्ति. So let's go to the first shloka. पिता यच्छति पुत्राय बाल्ये विद्याधनं महत्. पितास्य किं तपस्तेपे इत्युक्तिस्तत्कृतज्ञता. Balye means Balye Vayasi. Mahat means Brihat or big. Uktihi means Kathanam. Suktihi means Suktayaha, good thoughts. Su plus Uktihi. Su means good. Uktihi means Vachana. Pita Putraya Balye Kim Yachati. Pita Putraya Balye Vidyadhanam Yachati. Suktayaha is Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachana, and Uktihi is a Strilinga Pada as Mati Shabda. Anvaya Pita Putraya Balye Mahat Vidyadhanam Yachati. Asya Putrasya Pita Kim Tapaha Tepe iti Uktihi Tat Kritatnyata. Putraya iti chaturthi vibhakti. Pita putraya balye mahat vidyadhanam yachati means father gives his son in the childhood very good education, which is very mahat. Mahat means brihat, big. Asya putrasya pita kim tapaha tepe. Here tapaha tepe, tapas tepe, visarga sandhi. Tapaha plus tepe, tapas tepe, visarga sandhi. And tapaha and tepe both are kriya padas. And meaning is tapasya krutva. Means doing hard work. Iti uktihi means this way it is told. Tat kritatnyata, that is what is called thankfulness. Kritatnyata means whenever necessary, we should think of the past and should return the goodness of the deed that a person did in the past. That is what is called kritatnyata. The meaning of the shloka is father gives attention to his child in the early stage or in the childhood, and he works for his children and he gives all sorts of care, attention. So, usually we say, my father, what all things not done for me in my childhood. And this type of saying is a kind of gratitude, kritatnyata. Kritatnya plus tal, pratyaya is kritatnyata. And next shloka, avakrata yatha chitte तथा वाजी भवेद यदि तदेवाहु महात्मनः समत्वमिति तथ्यतः अवक्रता यथा चित्ते तथा वाजी भवेत् यदि तदेवाहुः महात्मनः समत्वमिति तथ्यतः अन्वयः यथा अवक्रता चित्ते तथा यदि वाजे भवेत् महात्मनः तथ्यतः तदेव समत्वम् इति आहुः. चित्ते means manasi, samatvam means samanata, vaji means vanyam, tathyatha means तथा अर्थरूपेण वास्तवरूपेण तदेव आहुः तत् प्लस एव प्लस आहुः तदेवाहुः. अवक्रता मीन्स न वक्रता नञ् तत्पुरुष. समत्वम सम प्लस तुआ प्रत्यय that is samatvam. Avakrata means saralata, simplicity. Chitte means manasi, in the mind. Yati vaji bhavet, that is in the speech it happens. Mahatmanaha means great people. Tathyataha means yathartha rupena. Tad eva samatvam, equality. Equality iti ahuhu, that is told. The meaning of the shloka is, if someone says as in the mind, means both mind and saying both are become same. Great people says this is what is called samanata or samatvam. Samatvam is chitte tatha vaji, both are same, it is called samatvam. And the third shloka, tyaktva dharma pradam vacham parusham yo abhyudirayet परित्यज्य फलं पक्वं भुङ्क्ते अपक्वं विमूढधीः. Parusham means kathoram, bhunkte means khadati, abhyudirayet means vadati, dharmapradam means dharmayuktam. Anvayah yaha dharmapradam vacham tyaktva parusham vacham abhyudirayet saha vimudadhihi pakvam phalam parityajya apakvam phalam bhunkte. Vimudadhihi kidrishi vacham parityajyati. Vimudadhihi dharmapradam vacham parityajati. Dharmapradam means kartavyapradam, dutiful. Vacham means vani. Tyaktva means leaving. Parusham, kathoram or kathinam. Abhyudirayet means vadati. Vimudadhihi means murkhaha. Pakvam means ripe. Pakvam fruit. Pakvam phalam means ripe fruit. Parityajya means leaving. Apakvam, napakvam. Bhunkte, khadati. The meaning of the shloka is, one who is living good speech and thoughts and telling very bad and harsh words, that person seems to be a foolish, as one eats raw fruit, leaving good and ripe sweet fruits. Apakvam phalam means harsh and bad words. Instead of telling good words, if someone tells harsh and hard words, it is like a person who eats raw fruit instead of eating good and sweet fruit. Fourth shloka. Vidwamsa eva lokesmin chachushmantaha prakirtitaha anyesham vadani ye tu te chachurnamani mate. Anvayah. Asmin loke vidwamsaha eva chachushmantaha prakirtita. Anyesham vadane ye chachushi tu chachurnamani mate. Chachurmantaha means netravantaha. Prakirtitaha means kathitaha, told. Vadane means mukhe. Mate means vichare. Lokesmin, asmin loke. Lokesmin means asmin loke. In this world, scholars are having the real eyes. Vidwamsaha, they are having real eyes. And the others are having eyes, but those eyes are only for the namesake. The meaning is, whatever we see, we should understand the real thing. We should be able to differentiate the real and unreal, or satya and asatya. Those are called vidwamsaha. And murkhaha, they don't have such senses to differentiate. Whatever they see, they think that it is the truth, but they don't think about the other side of that. That is why they are called chachurnamani. Eyes are only for the namesake. Next, fifth shloka. Yat proktam yena kenapi tasya tatvarthanirnayah kartum shakyo bhavedyena sa viveka iti iritaha. Proktam means kathitam, iritaha means kathitaha, tatvarthanirnayah, tatvarthasya nirnayah, tatvarthasya nirnayah. Shashti tatpurusha samasa it is. Tatvarthasya nirnayah, tatvartha nirnayah. Yat proktam yena kenapi means whatever told by somebody. Yat proktam yena means somebody. Tasya tatvartha nirnayah means the real meaning of that telling. Whoever takes kartum shakyah sa vivekaha iti iritaha. Saha eva vivekaha iti iritaha means he is told viveki. That person is called viveki. So we can say about a person who takes the right meaning of the matter, he is the real viveki. Iritaha means kathitaha. One who takes the right judgment, he is called viveki or vivekaha. That is what is called vivekaha. And next shloka, sixth one. Vak pado dhairyavan mantri sabhayam apyakataraha sa kenapi prakarena parairna paribhuyate. Vak paduhu means vanyam nipunaha. Akataraha. Akataraha means bhayarahitaha. Paribhuyate means tiraskriyate, apamanitaha. Meaning is apamanitaha. Vakpaduhu plus dhairyavan. Vakpadur dhairyavan. Vakpaduhu plus dhairyavan. Vakpadur dhairyavan. Apyakataraha. Api plus akataraha. Yanu sandhi. Kenapi, kena plus api, kenapi, dirgha sandhi. Vachi plus vatuhu, vakpatuhu. Moola shabda of vak is vachi. Akataraha, nakataraha. Nan talpurusha. Dhairyavan. means bhayarahitah. Dhairya plus madhup pratyaya. Dhairyavan is dhairya plus madhup pratyaya. Mantri plus in. The next is Vakpatuhu, that means Vanyam Nipunaha Dhairyavan Mantri Sabhayam Api Akataraha Bhayarahitaha Bhavati. Akataraha means Bhayarahitaha. Saha Shatrujanaihi Api Apamanitaha Na Bhavati. Saha Kenabi Prakarena Paraihi Na Paribhuyate. Na paris bhuyate, na tiraskriyate. The meaning of the shloka is, a minister very intelligent and talented and bold, even in the midst of an assembly or in the midst of his enemies, by any reason no one can insult him. The next shloka. Ya ichhatyatmanaha shreyaha prabhutani sukhani cha na kuryad ahidam karma sa parebhya kadapi cha. Shreyaha means kalyanam, goodness. Ahitam, hitarehitam. Ahitam means hitarehitam. Yaha ichhatyatmanaha means one who likes. Ichhati atmanaha. Ichhati plus atmanaha, ichhatyatmanaha. Shreyaha, goodness, or Shreyas, or Aishwaryam, etc., etc. Prabhutani sukhani cha means all sorts of pleasures. Parebhyaha means for others. Ahitam, hitarehitam. Ahitam means hitarehitam. Karma means karya. Na kuryat, never does. The meaning of the shloka is, one who wishes his own goodness and likes to have all sorts of pleasures, that person should not do any harmful deeds for others. Yaha atmanaha shreyaha prabhutani sukhani cha ichhati saha parebhyaha ahitam karma kadapi na kuryat. The next shloka. Acharaha prathamo dharmaha ityetad vidusham vachaha tasmad rakshet sadacharam pranebhyopi visheshataha. Acharaha prathamo dharmaha ityetad vidusham vachaha tasmad rakshet sadacharam pranebhyopi visheshataha. अन्वयः. आचारः प्रथमः धर्मः इति एतत् विदुषां वचः तस्मात् प्राणेभ्यः अपि सदाचारं विशेषतः रक्षेत्. अर्थ. आचारः means सदाचारः, विशेषतः means विशेषरूपेण, वचः means उक्तिः. प्रथमः धर्मः, प्रथमो धर्मः. Here visarga sandhi is used. Prathamaha dharmaha, prathamo dharmaha. Iti etat, iti plus etat. Here yanu sandhi comes. Iti etat, iti plus etat. Sat plus acharam, sadacharam, vyanjana sandhi. Pranebhyaha plus api, pranebhyopi. Vidusham vachaha. Vidvat vachaha. Samasta padam is Vidvat vachaha. Shashti tatpurushaha. Vidusham. Shashti vibhakti. Vidusham vachaha. So it is Shashti tatpurusha samasa. Sadacharam. Shobhanam acharam. The meaning is Shobhanam acharam. Sat plus acharam. Visheshana pada of acharam is here sad. So it is known as, so it is karmadharya samasa. Sat plus acharam. Acharah prathamah dharmah iti etat vitusham vachaha. Means, good conduct is the first duty of a person. Behavior is the good conduct, or good conduct is the first duty of a person, and is told by Vidushaha. It is said by scholars, Tasmat pranebhyaha abhi sadacharam visheshataha raksheda. So sadacharam is more important than pranaha. Visheshataha means specially. So it is very important thing to protect our good conduct, sadacharam, than any other thing in our life. Okay, so all the Anvayas are over, and it is given, Anvayas given at the last part of this video, and the lesson is over. Okay, children, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.